Hi there, check it out. Now that your post has been generated, it's time to make it even more rank-worthy with our TAP method. Take a look, add images, and publish. So let's get started. Step 1, take a look, T. First, take a look at the content. Read through the generated post to understand its structure and its flow. Adjust the tone as needed. You can use our toolbar. Check it out as well. Select this whole paragraph. You can ask AI to give you a rewrite or improve the writing, write a whole new section, fix spelling and grammar, make it shorter, longer, change the tone, simplify the language, or summarize. Really anything it takes to give you the tone that you need. You can even check the keyword density and make sure that the main keywords are used naturally throughout. So I'm going to click on SEO keywords here, and you have a whole list of keywords and entities to work with. Also, we automatically do include lots of relevant external links, but you can edit in more as well. Just highlight the word and click the link in the editor toolbar. You can customize anything in here using AI. Let's say you want to rewrite the conclusion. You can ask our awesome bots. Check this out. So I'm going to generate, I'm going to click on Amy Chat. You can chat with a bot inside the platform and chat with specific AI agents for a more nuanced take. Some of those are trained in very, very specific things. Now that takes us to step 2, add images. You want to make your posts more engaging by adding images, videos or infographics, anything to make it more engaging for your audience. Click on the media icon here to add images from our royalty-free image library that we have plugged directly into the tool or straight from your desktop. Now, you want to make sure your images are relevant and actually enhance the content, not just having images just for the sake of having images. Now, these media could also be embedded YouTube videos or even stats that your designer made into an infographic. A pro tip here. You want visual consistency with your images. Keep a cohesive color scheme and style throughout your blog for a professional look. It's just way easier for your audience to digest. Which takes us to step 3, publish, P. I'm going to click publish right here. Once you're happy with the content, it is time to publish. You can publish directly to your WordPress site or export it as a Google Doc, download the Word doc, download the HTML, or view the HTML. To publish, download the WordPress integration plugin and upload it to your site, which triggers publishing straight from Rankwell. When you do that, you can simply advance the status from straight out of AI to draft or published, which corresponds to WordPress. Now that you've seen this post straight out of AI, here's an example of what a post looks like after you've done TAP. So we have taken a look, we've added images, and we're about to publish this one. Look at this image we added. We just made it, I think, in Canva, and it looks nice, and we put it in. It keeps the content readable. Of course, there's those automatic external links. We've added more images that serve the intent of the content. And that's really it, you guys. With our TAP method, you've optimized your post now for maximum impact in just a few minutes. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our support team. But now, I want you guys to take everything I just said and go try it for yourself.